Hey everyone, welcome to another video in the Mutual Fund Distributor series. In this video, I'm going to showcase how quickly you can change the weights of your desired portfolio, create multiple versions of the same portfolio with different weights, and pick the one that suits your needs as well as your client's needs. So to showcase, again, I will take one of the portfolios here. So in this portfolio, we have a small cap fund, a large cap fund, and a value fund. I've allocated 50, 30, 20. So let's say, no, I'll take it to asset comparer just for now. Now you are kind of thinking, whether this is the optimal allocation. So what you can quickly do is, instead of creating a new portfolio, you can simply copy the portfolio, and this will create a copy here. You can go inside and you can change the weights. So for example, let's say you allocate more, let's say 60% to here, and you reduce the allocation by 5% in both of them, right? So now it adds up to 100%. I will name this as 1. Now you have two versions here. So I also want another version of the same portfolio. So I'll again copy. Now again I will edit. So in this case, I'll give more allocation to large cap. Let's say I'll give 50% allocation to large cap. I'll reduce the allocation here to 30%. So here I'll call this as 2. Now we have 3 portfolios here with different weighing schemes that we have created in few seconds. Again, we can compare all these 3 portfolios, take it to asset comparer, and see how the portfolio behaves with different weights, right? So you can see here the fund with large cap allocation has underperformed, whereas when you increase the weight by 10% to the small cap fund, it has outperformed the original portfolio. So the original portfolio is the client aggressive portfolio here. So for you to compare this fund again, these portfolios against the benchmark that you have created, you can select the custom benchmark. No, you don't have to go with the standard benchmarks. So you can pick the one that you think is the best, and you can click it. And now you are comparing all these 3 portfolios of same holdings but different weights, basically different versions, with a custom benchmark. Now you get an even more better view of the how these funds are doing with respect to the benchmark itself. Now finally, you can download the report in Excel, or if you wish to do it for your own internal sake. For example, let's say you want to understand all the metrics line by line, you can go into each and every tab here. So there are almost 20 different tabs here. So you can understand and get the data of all these portfolios in a nice Excel format. Or if you wish to download the report, you can customize your own reports here. I think that's it for this video. This helps you, most mutual fund distributors, to create different versions of the same portfolio and pick the one that best suits you, that you think is optimal, and eventually bring value to your clients by choosing the optimal portfolio for your clients. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.